Welcome to the app tutorial for Tangibl. We'll explore different features of the app and how to navigate them. Tangibl is an app that helps you improve your conversation skills in a fun and interactive way. To get started, press the plus button on your home page. This will provide you with different options to practice. Solos. Here you can choose a single topic and present your views on it by yourself. Click on any topic, then press on the red button to start recording. Once you are done recording, press on the red button again. Then you can either save it to draft or publish for analysis. You will be asked to rate yourself for your performance. You will also get an analysis of your speech by AI. This will notify you of your speaking pace, filler words, and silence time, thus allowing you to reflect and improve. There is also a chart that shows your vocabulary level on the basis of Common European Framework of Reference for Languages or CEFR, which is a standardized way to measure a person's language abilities. The report also includes a transcript and analysis of overall sentiment of your speech. All these features allow you to fully reflect and assess your communication skills.